Would you guys believe me if I said this is my hair without any styling, without any special products? And I have just traveled from Goa, and I was least bothered about my hair and skin, you can say that. What made my hair look like this? Let's dive deep into it. By the way, I've not even combed, okay? It's just I have put on a claw clip. This is here, and here's my hair. You can see it's not combed. Everything is flying, okay? I just want to comb in front of you guys and show you how smooth. Okay, yeah, got stuck here. Smooth. Yes, this is my hair. It's so shiny. I've not used any serum, by the way. I have just used the newly launched Minimalist products. I've reviewed the Minimalist Bond Repair Oil. I was truly actually excited for that product because I was like, this is miraculous. We're getting the Bond Repair Oil just for $4.99. Compare that to Olaplex, which is 3,000 for 30 ml. That's a lot of product. You can see visible difference in my hair. The whole time in Goa, my hair behaved. It was so nice. I didn't have to wash my hair, you know. It was so nice. I can't explain the feeling. I can't explain you guys that, you know, how good it felt when my hair was, you know, so smooth every time I combed my hair. It was settled, it was not moving here and there. The parts that have been damaged, the colored parts, yeah, you can see the shine, how shiny they're looking. And I have not used anything, no Dyson, no Allen Truman, nothing, no blow brush. I let it air dry so that I can show you the results. And you guys will know, those who blow dry, you will know the difference when, you know, you let it air dry. You get these flyaways only when you air dry, okay? When you blow dry, everything sets in place. So that's how you know it has been air dried, okay? So I have already reviewed the oil, and I am growing fond of the oil every time I use it. So when they launched their shampoo and hair mask, I was like, I just need to get it because I really liked their oil, the maleic acid oil, okay? I was pronouncing it as Maleic. Everyone makes mistakes. So the maleic acid bond repair oil, and on that note only, I got myself the shampoo and conditioner from Minimalist. This was my first use with the shampoo and mask, okay? I will be posting a detailed review only after 3 or 4 weeks. This is my first time how I'm feeling about it. I just wanted to let you guys know, okay? So you get like these outer packagings, pretty basic, okay? The minimalist way, yeah. So here is the shampoo box, okay? Again, maleic acid bond repair complex. So you get 250 ml of the product for $5.99, which is pretty good. The packaging is basic, which is good. I really don't mind the packaging. It looks like this, okay? A very basic bottle with all the ingredients and directions and warnings written, okay? It's basic. There's no fragrance, okay? The oil, however, has some fragrance, okay? This is different from that. These contain no fragrance. And let me just tell you one thing, that this one lathers up very nicely, okay? You would expect it not to lather up because, you know, something which is meant to repair, which is meant to condition your hair is usually like, you know, doesn't lather up. Like our sulfate free, paraben free shampoos, very rarely you see very good formulations, and this is one of them. This is lathers up beautifully on your hair. You don't need a lot of product. I was actually thinking that only. I'm someone who uses those gigantic bottle of Dove because I finish shampoos like anything. I really need a lot for my hair, but this, surprisingly, I did not have to use a lot. There was no fragrance whatsoever. It actually went in my eye and it did not sting as well, which I was pretty surprised. Okay, it felt really good when I was washing my hair. Right now I can just say this much, the experience was pretty good. It was pretty nourishing. It cleansed my hair very nicely. Mind you, I have traveled back and this was my first hair wash after traveling, so yeah, it has cleansed my hair. Otherwise, if I don't clean my hair, it remains greasy. This one is really good. I would say price is a little steep for me because I am someone who doesn't like to spend a lot on maybe shampoo, but fine. Since it is meant to repair, I just want to get rid of this part. Like, I just want to fix this, the colored part of my hair, as soon as possible. Next, coming on to the hair mask. This is the hair mask, not conditioner. Just wanted to put it out there. And this is, again, I guess so this is 200 grams of product, okay, and you have to pay, I guess, $6.99. yes, $6.99 for this. It's a pretty basic minimalist packaging. So packaging wise, I do not have a lot of problem with it. It's a nice squeezy tube. Okay, this one's consistency is actually in between a mask and a conditioner, I would say. So it's really good. It spreads in your hair like a dream. It really spreads very nicely. Again, you need very little, like lesser than your conditioner for your hair, okay, when it comes to this. And I think what has made my hair really soft is this hair mask. Okay, I'm still going to experiment with it. Let me just see if it's true or not. Okay, but I really think this hair mask is really good. Okay, more than the shampoo, I think this hair mask has done something actually good for my hair. Like, it has made it so soft, I can't stop running my fingers. I'll be giving my full review if the hair mask is actually good, or if you can skip on the shampoo altogether. I'll let you know. But for now, I think the range is pretty good. If you're suffering from damaged hair, frizzy hair, something, I think you should go ahead and get the whole range for yourself. Also, if you want to wait for my review, I think you can wait for my full-fledged review, but that will only come after a few weeks because I need to test it out. I just don't want to give any sort of review. But with my first use, this was my experience, and it was pretty pleasant. Again, no fragrance in this product, guys. Remember, only the oil has a little bit of fragrance. I also wanted to quickly mention that this hair mask is not supposed to be used before washing your hair, but after washing your hair. So yeah, you have to wait in your bathroom for 5 minutes. It says you have to just keep it on for 5 minutes. So I think you should just follow the instruction, because I followed the instructions with the oil and it gave me the best results. So you don't need to keep it for longer or shorter time. It just follow the instruction and it will help you. The boxes of these products also claim a lot of things, that less combing, if you will need less force to comb your hair, and certain other things which we'll discuss in the full-fledged review, you know, so as to see if they actually stood up to the claims that they have mentioned. And that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and bye.